Hi there, Jimmy House with A1 Vacuum Sales and Service, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I want to show off the brand new Guard L1. This bad boy is a beautiful new design made by Miele. It's a totally different look from what they've had for 15, 20 years. It's nothing like anything we've seen before with the Miele lineup. We're very, very excited about it. This certain model here is going to come stock with their 228 power nozzle. It's made to do any type of area rugs, wall-to-wall carpet. You can turn off the motor, which stops the brush roll for spinning for your hardwood floors as well if you do not want to switch over to the combo tool for your floors. It has a 36-foot cleaning radius that includes the cord length, the hose, and the wand. The wand is telescopic as well. Going into the machine here, you have 4 different suction modes. Depending on if you want to do hardwood floors, area rugs, drapes, upholstery, things like that. You have your one-touch cord reel button, hit it one time, cord's going to go in. I love that feature. You're going to have a 2-in-1 hidden upholstery and crevice tool right there inside that little door. Crevice tool sits like this to get down into crevices. Hit this little yellow button, turns it into an upholstery brush. They do include a dusting brush with this model. It's going to sit on a caddy right here on your wand. Getting into the side of the machine here, they redesigned the bag system. So now it has a little latch here. Once you slide it in, you're going to lock it in place. Some of the older C3 models, our customers every once in a while would not push it all the way in. It would not lock in place, and it would leak a lot of dirt inside the bag area. So Miele engineers went to work, designed a new bag system that is almost impossible to mess up once you get the bag in and lock it down in place. So I love the new design there. For your hardwood floors, like I said, you can turn the brush roll off here, or you can get into the combo tool, brushes down for hardwood floors, brushes up if you wanted to go do a quick throw rug or something and did not want to go back and get the 228 power nozzle. Once again, this is a great piece if you have a lot of embedded deep down dirt, a lot of pet hair, a lot of carpet overall. Comes stocked with a 3-year warranty. And then we keep this in stock. Come in, play around with it, make sure it's the one that you want. Obviously, you can see we have a huge selection of the Miele's lineup. We're at 1523 Bardstown Road, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Thank you very much. Hi there, Jimmy House with A1 Vacuum Sales and Service, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I want to give you a very quick video and demonstrate what the 228 power nozzle can do on deep down embedded dirt and pet hair. It comes stocked with the L1 Guard Electro and then the standard Guard L1. So let's get started. As you can see, some really powerful stuff out of the 228 power nozzle. Thank you very much and have a good day.